Introduction to 3D Printing in Manufacturing. Welcome to Zero Fat TV Think Different. Today, we're diving into a transformative technology that is reshaping the manufacturing industry: 3D printing. This revolutionary process allows for the creation of complex and customized products with unparalleled efficiency. As we explore the future of manufacturing, we'll discover how 3D printing is not just a trend, but a significant leap towards innovation and sustainability. The mechanics of 3D printing. At its core, 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, involves creating three-dimensional objects layer by layer from digital models. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods that often require subtracting material from larger blocks, 3D printing builds objects from the ground up. This layer-by-layer approach enables the production of intricate designs that were once deemed impossible, making it a game-changer for product design and development. Benefits of 3D printing in manufacturing. One of the most appealing aspects of 3D printing is its ability to significantly reduce production times and costs. Manufacturers can create prototypes in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods, leading to faster design iterations and quicker market entry. Additionally, 3D printing minimizes waste by using only the necessary amount of material, aligning with sustainable practices that many industries are striving to adopt. Real-world applications of 3D printing. The applications of 3D printing in manufacturing are vast and varied. Industries ranging from aerospace to healthcare are leveraging this technology to produce customized parts, medical implants, and even entire aircraft components. This adaptability not only enhances product functionality, but also allows for greater personalization, meeting consumer demands in ways that traditional manufacturing cannot. The future of manufacturing with 3D printing. As we look toward the future, the potential for 3D printing in manufacturing continues to expand. Emerging technologies like multi-material printing and advancements in materials science will likely lead to even more innovative applications. With ongoing research and investment, 3D printing is poised to revolutionize how we think about manufacturing, making it more efficient, sustainable, and tailored to individual needs. In summary, 3D printing is not just a passing trend. It's a revolutionary technology that is fundamentally changing the landscape of manufacturing. From its efficient production processes to its wide range of applications, the future of manufacturing is bright with the possibilities that 3D printing brings. Join us at Zero Fat TV Think Different as we continue to explore the innovative technologies shaping our world.
Thanks for watching Zero Fat TV. Think different. Scan the QR code. See you all over there. Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Do what makes you happy. Benny B.